Good morning, everybody. It's Jean here with my friend Jen.
Good morning.
Today is what day?
Friday.
And
what day?
And what day is it? We are going to, I think, declare a winner, but it was supposed to be at 21,000 subscribers.
Yeah? How many do you have?
20,994.
We'll have to wait till next Friday.
6 people. 6 people in the world have to subscribe before we can pick a winner.
Well, if we do it at the end, you have anything to talk about? Maybe we'll be up to 6.
I do have, yeah, 6 people have to subscribe. I do have 2 things to talk about. I know because you're busy. But it is quilt related. We will announce a winner for the quilt. It is quilt related. This weekend, usually we go to the same things, like the same get-togethers together.
Yeah, generally, yeah.
And we are double booked. So there's an annual picnic that Jen and I go to for a lot of friends of ours, and it's wonderful, isn't it? It's wonderful at a friend's house. But I wanted to show you. I can't go to that. We were going to, but then our son Jean-Pierre is having on the same day, which he didn't realize with their lot of people, a gender reveal for their baby. They're having their first baby, so obviously we have to go to that.
Yeah.
It's sort of superseded the
Congratulations, Caitlin.
Yeah, we're gonna find out their baby. Oh yeah, real quick. I know. I'm
Can you tell us?
No. I will tell you guys after, but this is on Friday and the party's tomorrow. I know, I'm the only one that knows. And what I've came up with, because they're like, gender reveal, but they don't really have a clue. I thought, well, why don't I make a quilt in either blue or pink, stereotypical, and then they open that up, and then they find out if it's a boy or if it's a girl.
Oh,
but
so
then the sort of the bonus is they have chosen a boy's name and a girl's name. The next part of the gender reveal is I have a board, which I'll show you later, with all of, like, a million different names on it. So the people in the party can, mill around and choose what name they think they've chosen, whatever. And then I've had a pillow with that name, and that'll be the second part.
That's awesome.
So there's going to be a winner of who maybe guesses the name of either the boy or girl. If it's one sex or the other, that whole lot's going to be gone. Well, they're losers. And then if they guess the name, they get a little gift.
Oh,
so there's 2 parts of the gender reveal. So that's that quilt, which I will be showing you. Because that was a quilt that I made.
I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, that was a quilt I made. But then for the party that you're going to,
yes,
the hostess, Deidre, she had given me about the ages of 3 to about 12, maybe. Had hold this up. Had made all of these little
fabric patches
of like scriptures, Bible scriptures, little pictures, and like handprints and everything. And so she gave me these with this old sheet and this old sheet for like the backing. And she's, can you do something with these fabric patches?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, it's not beautiful.
Well, it's beautiful because
of what it is. Yeah. And so I'm like, what in the world am I going to do with these things? And so this is what I came up with her old sheet on the front and on the back.
There's more.
There's more on the back. I put some on the back there. Just little kitty things. So
she will love it.
Yeah,
she will love it.
Yeah, she will. Yeah, and the little children who've done it.
Oh yeah.
Will really like it because again they were just literally fabric scraps. And as sort of a craft thing she had going for a few weeks. So that's that quilt. That's that quilt. I've been busy. I made that quilt. I made the gender reveal quilt, and I have made this quilt. Jen,
I hope I win.
Jen's name is not in here.
Wouldn't that be funny, guys?
Contest rules apply. So this is the quilt that one of you guys is going to win.
It's awesome.
You want to hold that up? There are over 600 names in here. There has to be an app for this or something.
I'm not in here one time? Come on.
There has to be an app. I've been busy typing.
This is hilarious because I know there's an app for this.
I know. I don't know. I'm not computer. We got to figure this out.
This is
because
awesome.
this, So
This is more dramatic, I think.
So we're gonna have a drum roll.
I'm sorry, whoever's at the bottom, because I don't know if they hand me this out.
Isn't that something? I started out literally in a fishbowl, and then do that. Yeah. And then I went to a small punch bowl, and then I'm thinking, oh my word, people. I think about 600 people on YouTube and about 100 people on my Truelove Quilts for You.
Congratulations.
So,
That's
yeah,
awesome.
It's awesome. So, are we up to 21,000? We're not up to 21,000, folks.
Tune in next week.
Yeah. But whoever gets it, we need a drum roll.
Yes. Does this work?
No, let me just think. We need a drum
Drum roll,
roll.
please.
Drum roll, please. Oh, mirages.
Perfect.
Oh.
Perfect. All right.
Okay.
You're picking.
Okay, am I picking? No, you're picking.
I'm picking.
You're picking.
Oh, so they can be mad at me. That is probably better.
So, who has won the quilt?
I hope I can read. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you have your glasses on? Oh!
Marilyn Blackmore.
Ah! She's one of my Marilyn Blackmore. She's one of my people who comment.
Oh,
quite a lot. Here, put it up to the. Put it up. That's
Congratulations.
it. Marilyn Blackmore, you have won this quilt.
Oh, you won my quilt, Marilyn.
Yeah, she's gonna guilt you. She's gonna guilt you. She really won
That
this
is
quilt.
awesome.
Marilyn, you have won this quilt. So
Congratulations.
If you want it, if you want it.
If you want it.
Of course you want it.
She entered.
Yeah, she entered. So there you go. And I was very, I was a little bit, a little bit concerned because there was quite a few people from Australia, from Belgium, from Switzerland that I know, and I'm thinking, I forgot to say it was only for the U.S. only.
Oh,
because I have shipped quilts internationally, and with my business, and it's really turned out in a few cases very hard. There's customs and VAT and duties and I've had quilts languish in a post office or at customs for 3 months.
Really?
3 months.
Oh,
going to England, and I thought, so the people in Germany, I really wish I could have included you guys, and I know some certain people who did live in those countries. I didn't put them in. But then I thought, oh, I don't know other ones, and I hope it's not. But I know Marilyn Blackmore. She's in the United States.
Okay, nice.
I believe. So, so Marilyn, you have won this quilt. You have won
Congratulations!
this. I just wanted to address one more thing.
You should keep that.
I'll keep that out, and I'll attach that to the quilt.
Oh, cute.
There have been people who have just a few comments that I was very rude to you.
When?
I know. Am I rude to you?
No, I love you.
Oh, I think it's because I'm I think with a relationship like us, this is what I have to almost sort of like disclose.
Yeah.
We have like I don't get snarky. I think there's a difference.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what they're talking about.
Okay, she doesn't know what you're talking about. Whoever that was that's made a comment, because we go back and forth.
Yeah.
And bust on each other. But
We
like,
joke all the time.
I would take a bullet for you.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, not in my chest.
No, like
no, my leg. Not my chest. I mean, I would.
I know you would.
Yeah.
I know you
So anyway, so you people who think I'm rude, I'm not. Jen is my dearest friend, and she knows it.
And I know that.
Oh, there you go. There you go. And now Marilyn Blackmore is a very, very good friend because she won my quilt. So, cha-cha-cha, we have a winner. That's it.
That's exciting.
That is exciting. We have things to do, places to go, picnics, gender reveals.
Yeah, quilt show coming up.
Quilt show coming up on the 13th.
I never remember when it is.
Yeah, September 13th. We will be at the quilt show, Jen and I, at Oaks Convention Center. So come and see us. And then I will be getting in touch with Marilyn Blackmore, who has won our quilt, and this will be winging its way. And then maybe I'll have another giveaway.
Ooh.
Like maybe not something so big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something.
What should I give away? And this was fun.
I know. I don't know.
I know,
Like,
'cause
you
you
make
wanna
tons
win
of extra
something.
stuff. Like,
I know.
Besides, like quilt-like, but not quilts.
I've got to put my thinking cap on because
Yeah.
I enjoyed this. This was very, very nice. But as I said, It's not 21,000, so I'm sort of, the rules are sort of being bent here.
That's
Marilyn.
right. Hey,
Hey.
you make the rules.
Yeah, I make the rules, and I type the names.
And this is the day we had available to shoot.
I know,
so.
exactly. This morning it was like it, so we're busy. Anyway, Marilyn, you won the quilt. Congratulations.
All right, bye
And
everybody.
we'll see you later. Bye.